Yeah, pretty well. Had to get some people to find me.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Oh yeah.
What's going on? What did you got there?
Kilo puppy.
What?
A kilo puppy.
Oh my God. Is that yours?
No, it's yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
It's a special delivery.
How is it mine?
Papa drove to where to Jacksfield?
100-mile house. What?
That's yours.
Oh my God. He's a baby.
Your very own.
Boy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty cuddly, eh?
Yeah.
We had to stop and give him a bath.
Why?
He was covered in fur and dirt.
He had dirty fur.
Outside guy.
He's shaking.
Smile for the camera.
Oh, I'll get that phone.
Gran.
Oops, I gotta sneak through.
Is he purebred?
Yeah.
God, you
Here, turn him this way. We'll get a picture.
Hello?
Why he's shaking?
Yeah.
Smile, Mama.
Christmas is early this year.
Yes, he's your Christmas present, but I didn't think he'd wait that long.
Okay.
Oh, he's just shaking. Did
It's
you
all
name
you?
him?
No, it's yours. You name
Yes.
him.
What do you think?
I don't know.
She wanted to snuggle him so bad tonight,
He
but
fell asleep in my chest all the way there.
59 Sarah Scotty Sportsman.
What's the matter, Kiki?
okay, Key. Go see.
Look.
You can put him down to see Kilo.
You probably should put him outside for a pee first. Yeah? Okay. Take him right
Oh,
out
yeah.
to the
Yeah,
lawn.
they got a pickup there too, yeah.